In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Remitly payment failed issue step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Remitly probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. If you've ever tried sending money with Remitly and seen a payment failed message, don't worry. This video will show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your payment method. Make sure your debit card, credit card, or bank account has enough funds and is properly linked to your Remitly account. Sometimes a failed payment happens because the bank declines the transaction. Next, verify your account information. Ensure that your personal details, billing address, and recipient details are correct. Any mismatch can cause the payment to fail. Another common reason is daily or monthly transfer limits. Check if you've exceeded your Remitly transfer limits. If so, you may need to wait or upgrade your account by completing additional verification steps. Also, make sure your bank or card allows international transactions. Some banks block international payments by default. Contact your bank to confirm that your transaction is approved. If you're still having issues, try a different payment method. Switching from a credit card to a bank account or debit card often resolves the problem. Finally, check your internet connection and ensure the app is updated to the latest version. A slow or outdated app can sometimes cause payment failures. Remitly is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Remitly offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.